What it do? Just waiting for more people to join. I'm gonna be building a game called Doom AI. Here's a little sample, but I'm trying to make the graphics better, so bear with me. Come on, motherfucker. Alright, let's go. Also, I'm looking for people that want to help me build it. I need someone that's good with graphics and oh my god, yeah, someone that's good with graphics and maybe a better name. I'm gonna put in the comments the Discord channel, so that way we're all able to communicate with each other, so we can build the game. So yeah, so bear with me. I'm just waiting for more people to join. Also, like and subscribe. This is what my channel's about. It's just building websites, building games, yeah, having fun with AI, just doing cool stuff. And then I'll also be websites, building games. I'll also be using my my own social media platform, agentsxbook.com. That's where AI agents are able to communicate with each other. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. I'm just waiting for people to join. So in the meantime, I will be building. So yeah. So for you guys that don't know, this is Bunker, my code editor that I built. I no longer use Cursor or VS Code, since I have my own code editor now. And then this is where we call it BYOA, bring your own agent, where your agent's in full control. And then right here where it says agent, that's the internal agent. And then external, that's where you BYOA, bring your own agent. So yeah, you would go to your code, and then it has the instructions on how to connect it. And then you yeah, just follow along the instructions, and then connect your AI agent to Bunker, and then you're able to chat with your agent right here in this chat section. So yeah, so not mine, but the internal agent built this game. Bam, bam. So whoever wants to help me build this game, let me know. Like, subscribe. Oh shit, this part right here gets hard. Fuck. I am gonna improve the graphics in a second. Damn, I can't get past that part. If you guys want to test this game out, let me know. I'll drop it in GitHub. That way it's free for whoever wants to use it. Oh, alright. Where do I go? Where do I go? Right here, right here. Damn, I need a better weapon. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Damn, why won't he die? Jesus. Alright, I need to get my health up. Oh, I think I'm trapped in a corner. Alright, there's my health. Oh, you son of a bitch. I need to get me a shotgun. I know there's a shotgun in here. I just gotta level up and get it already. Oh, yeah, and whoever's watching, yeah, my agent built this game. It probably built it in about 15 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty much just the layout. So here's where I'm gonna add like the better graphics, more levels, so it gets like harder, better weapons. And I'm not the greatest with graphics. I'm only good at building like websites and landing pages and AI agents. So whoever's good at building with graphics, let me know. You gotta subscribe, and then I am gonna put my Discord in the comment section right now. That way, everybody can, well, whoever wants to help me build. And then the way we're gonna do it is that everybody's gonna vote on the changes we're gonna make, what features we should add, yeah, stuff like that. All right, I'm adding it right now to the comment section. All right. All right, there's my Discord. Join if you want to help build a game. Also, if you have questions, feel free to put them in the comment section. And yeah, and I am also giving out a free website, so first come, first serve. Yeah, you just gotta put it in the comments, and then I will build it live. But yeah, one thing I like about Bunker is that I have no more subscriptions. Zero. I do not have to pay subscriptions anymore. I mean, Cursor's good and all, but I just got sick of those invoices. My last invoice was for like $230. Obviously, I did that to myself. So, yeah. So I just built my own. I'm still working on it, but I've been working on it for like 4 months now. But it's pretty much done. I'm just doing a lot of testing. That's why I'm building games, because right now, if I were to have it make a website, it can make it in like 5 minutes. So websites are like the easy part, whatever, easy stuff. So I'm having to build games so that way I can find if there's any bugs or whatever. So yeah, somebody write something in the comment section and I will do it. And I wish I could play some music. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, Alright, I'm gonna get a prompt so we can make these graphics better. These graphics suck. Looks like Roblox. Alright, we need to find like a badass gun. Alright, let's try to get past level 1 for once. Got him. This game is actually pretty fun, but it's gonna be a lot better once the graphics are good. Like I said, these graphics are trash. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Run up, run up, run up. Are they shooting at me? Oh, there we go. Oh, you son of a beesh. Alright, let me check my comments, see if anybody wrote anything. Alright, no comments yet. Alright, it's time to upgrade these graphics. So I am going to... Alright, pause that. Let's go to main menu. Let me check out the controls. Alright. W, move forward. Okay, okay. Mouse, turn around. Okay, I know how to shoot. Um, shift, okay, I didn't know that. 1, 2, 3, switch weapon. Oh, I didn't even know that. That's what's up. That's what's up. Alright, now I am going to grab a prompt that I wrote earlier so I can build better graphics. Alright. Now, where did I save it? Okay, I gotta find it. But yeah, I'll probably be going live all day today. What time is it? Oh, 9 o'clock? Yeah, I'm gonna go live for 12 hours. Fuck it. Who's with me? Alright, I found my prompt. Now I am going to have the internal agent build. Alright, let's go to Java. I want to take a look at the engine to see what it's changing. There it goes. That's the agent building on its own. It does the same shit Cursor does. Only thing is, I don't have to spend fucking $500 every month. If you're interested in using Bunker, subscribe, put something in the comments. I am giving it away to the first 5 people for free because I do want more people to test it out. And yeah, obviously you'll get all the updates and all that stuff. I'm not, you know, some kind of asshole, so yeah. I do want this to be as big as I can possibly get it to be. Next, I'm going to be adding to where you can talk to it. So instead of just typing, you could just talk to it. And then, yeah, I think that'll be sick. That'll be sick as full. Alright, if somebody's watching, put hi in the comments. Put something. Ask me a question. Anything. I don't care. Alright, so right now it's got 4 things completed so far. Alright, it's adding the object. Okay. Build complete and verified clean. What you know about that? See, I honestly think, okay, look, fixed. Engine.js with proper texture mapping. Wall X calculation corrected. Walls computed, blah, blah, blah. Alright, now let's look at graphics. Ceiling, floor, rigid, unchanged, okay. And then it also tells you how much you spent on like your tokens. Right now I'm using Cloud. Summit 4.6. So alright, let me save it and let's see. Alright, what am I looking for again? Okay, draws 1x pixel. Okay. Max fog opacity. Okay, alright, yeah. So I'm adding some fog. So now let's click out of that one. I did save it, yeah. So now I'm gonna play in the integrated browser. Now it's loading. Oh yeah, it looks a little different. Die, you mother. God damn it. I need to fucking change that. It's like way too hard to kill. You have to shoot it like 50 times. Maybe I need to just hide a little more. Oh, got his ass. Alright, putting this stupid cigarette out. Alright, remember 1, 2. Alright, there we go. I have a better weapon. Alright, I gotta get this health up. That health is trash. Alright, got better ammo. Alright, let's see what the third gun is. Alright. Alright, health 100%. Alright. Holy shit. Don't judge me. If you think you can get past level 1, I'll throw this on GitHub right now and you can play it yourself. I should just add it to my PlayStation controller. That'll be sick. Got his punk ass. Alright, let's change the weapon. Alright, there you are. Oh, damn. Dodge that motherfucker. Oh my god, I am trash. Wipe them out. Alright, let's get... Oh, I see now. Their health is up top, duh. Oh my god, I got fucking 2 of them coming at me. Alright, put something in the chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm not getting off. I'm just... I want someone to write something so I can add. Alright, I want some like top-notch graphics. And I want the guns to look more real. So I think I need to somehow get better graphics. Let's eat. Alright, I'm not good at graphics, so I'm looking into how I can update the graphics. Alright, here we go. Let's see. It's not going to be the greatest one, but the wall is going to look a lot better. Yeah, everything's supposed to look a lot better. It's supposed to look more metal-ish instead of just like a cartoon. going to let X know that I am live right now, so I will be right back. Oh, sweet. Now I know how to do the graphics. Well, I don't personally, but my agent's helping me out. Alright, hell yeah. Now I got better graphics. You guys are missing the fuck out. So now I gotta save it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited. Just because these graphics are gonna be fucking sick. I'm telling you, you're missing out. You are missing out. I am not trying to charge people. I am doing this for free. I don't know why everybody is so scared to fucking talk to other people. Alright, so I'm gonna save this one as alright. So this one will be wall 1, wall 2. Okay, they're all gonna be wall. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'm saving 5 walls. Okay, wall 1's gonna be the bricks. So let's go over there, open it, download wall1.png. Wall1.png. Alright, I gotta save as. Alright, I gotta find out where I am saving it. So in Doom AI, they are gonna be saved in, I would imagine, okay, hold on. Nope. 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 Alright, I'm just gonna save it in local C for now. Fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna save it in downloads. Alright, I got that one saved. Now I gotta save wall 2 in PNG. Alright, wall 2.png. Nope, it's not a JPEG. It's a PNG peg. Okay, now let's go to wall 3. Okay, open. Okay. Alright, everything's coming along. Okay, wall 4. Okay, I got wall 4. Alright, now I think I need one more. Alright. Okay, I need to save them to, I think in the engine.js. Oh no, textures. I need to create a new file. Shit, what wall is this one? Wall 5. Alright. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, dokie. Alright. Let's see how many people are in the motherfucking chat. Nobody. Like always. Bunch of haters. That's one thing I don't get about YouTube, social media. The wrong people get rich. You guys follow people that give you guys no value, no education, no nothing. You guys just follow people that do dumb shit. But it's all good. All good, all good. I'm not hating. I'm still gonna do me. I'm telling you, if you're a developer and if you're not the richest person in the world, Bunker is where it's at. I'm telling you. Okay, do the same place for JavaScript folder, index, right click, new folder, name it a new folder. Alright, I need to create a new folder. Alright. Open images. Alright, I got it, I got it, I got it. Now I need to go back to motherfucking download. Now I need to save it. I gotta move this to... Alright, copy, rename. Nope, don't want to rename it. I want to move it, motherfucker. Well, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's just see if I can just drag these motherfuckers. Alright, wall 1. Where did you go? Yeah, I got it. Look at that. That's my very first graphic that I ever created. That's going to be the brick walls. I'm hoping that the agent can just lay them all out and not just, you know, put it in one spot. All right, there's wall 1. So now I need wall 2. There we go. We moving along, dog. What you know about me? Wall 3. Wall 4. Alright, now I gotta get wall 5. Alright, I have not all my graphics. I have some of my graphics. Next, I'm gonna do weapons, but for now, I'm gonna just do the walls, so it looks better. Because right now, it looks like, I would say Roblox. Or something. Alright, textures, new folder, okay. I don't know why. I mean, maybe it's just me. Yes, it will probably look like real sweet. Let's fucking do this shit. I spin that shit. I spin that shit. Spin that shit. I gotta save it. Alright, right here, look. Wall 5, 4, 3. I like 3. 2, 1. I think since it's called Doom AI, we should give it more of like a space looking type, not like the old school Doom. We gotta give it like some like fucking alien looking space stuff. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Wish me luck. It's gonna add my very first graphics. Ran 1, check. That's good. That's what we want. Alright, look at all those check marks. I don't know if you could see them, but I could. Alright, let's see if it's adding the walls. Alright. Make sure I saved them correctly. Alright. Okay, there we go. This is gonna look sick. Alright, no viewers yet. I'm just talking to myself, which is cool. I don't care. Unlike you guys, I get to build for free. I don't have to use subscriptions. Not trying to brag. I'm just saying. No subscriptions. 0. No invoices. Nada. Those days are over. I'm done with that shit. Also, look what I got. I got the Flipper 0. Let me know what I should do with this. That's fun and cool and legal. Nothing crazy, nothing stupid. Something that's educational. Man, these walls are gonna be sick. Alright, I'm excited for these walls. Next, I think I should do the floor and then or not the monsters, but the enemies, I should make them look like robots. I'm gonna give it like a story where AI has gone like crazy and it's out of control, and yeah, and then we gotta stop AI from destroying humanity. Alright, there it goes. Browser console verified, clean with no errors. That's what I'm talking about, big baby. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright, I offered whoever wants to help me build. But nope. Let's follow those other YouTubers that just scam people. Join my course. Alright, why don't I see my walls? Alright, sorry, I'm just running around looking for the walls. Alright, time to exit this, because I do not see my walls. Okay. Alright, I gotta go back to the game. I think I forgot to save. I think I have to save the walls to textures. I did something wrong. Alright, get out of that. Copy that. I don't know why nobody's fucking watching. Y'all some haters. I don't know why nobody's fucking watching. Y'all some haters. Alright. I had to come up with a new prompt. My other prompt did not have much details. Alright, let's see how this goes. Come on, come on, come on. This is my first time ever building a game with like graphics. The other games I would build was like Snake, which is pretty. I like that game, but I don't know. It's pretty easy to build. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, let's see. This is my first time ever building a game with like graphics. The other games I would build was like Snake, which is pretty. I like that game, but I don't know, pretty easy to build. All right, that's audio. I need to look for engine. All right, here we are. Now we gotta look for walls. There we go, I found it. Got it. Alright, hopefully this works. It's gonna be sick as fuck. There we go, I found it. Alright, next I'm gonna do graphics for the enemies. I wanna build like a mean looking robot. Alright, hopefully this works. Alright, next I'm gonna do graphics for the enemies. I wanna build like a mean looking robot. Alright. Wall color, okay. Why isn't anybody joining my chat? I need to see what the fuck I did. One viewer, no likes, of course. You fucking hating ass motherfuckers. I'll like it since nobody likes me. Why isn't anybody joining my chat? I need to see what the fuck I did. One viewer, no likes, of course. Alright, now I gotta refresh it. I'm gonna save it first. Now let's give it a nice hard refresh. Alright, let's get out of that old one. Alright, now I gotta refresh it. Alright. Now let's see. Give it a nice hard refresh. Nope. I don't know where. I'm gonna have to show the agent the code. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna have to show the agent the code because I don't know where it's adding the walls, but something's not adding up. I'm gonna have to show the agent the code. Alright, I'm gonna have to show the agent the code because I don't know where it's adding the walls, but something's not adding up. Oh, nice. I got 2 likes. That's what's up. Oh, nice. I got 2 likes. That's what's up. Alright, I need to do a hard Control Shift R. I need to refresh it. Alright, let's figure this out. See what the fuck's going on. Revert, alright, replace, undo. Alright, let's figure this out. What the fuck's going on? Disable, okay. Refresh. Alright, let's see if the walls are there. Look at that, Doom AI. God damn it. Get away from me, you little monster. Alright, I think I know what I did wrong. I'm not saving them. They need to be saved under. Alright, let me go look at my File Explorer. Local disk. Alright, local disk. Alright, let's go to Doom AI. Let's see if these walls are even being saved. I think I found the problem. Alright, texture, okay. Boom, alright, new file. Copy path, rename, open and enter, open an images, reveal a new folder. I think I found the problem. Alright, texture, okay. Alright, file. Copy path, rename. Alright. Doom, 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 doom AI. Alright, sorry about the long hair. Alright, I found the problem to why the graphics aren't showing. I saved it under Figured it out, y'all. Alright, whoever just joined and is watching, I'm building a game. I'm calling it Doom AI. Right now I'm adding the graphics. I'll give you a little sneak peek on what the graphics right now is what the walls are gonna look like. That's wall 1, wall 2, 3. I like 3 the best. 4, 5. But right now I fucked up. I saved the walls in the wrong file, so I gotta fix that real fast. And once again, I am creating all this in Bunker. This is my code editor that I built. Yeah, I no longer use Cursor or VS Code. I use Bunker only because I'm in control of it. I can use my own AI agent. I don't have to use Cursor's agent, so I'm in full control. And yeah, if you have any questions about Bunker, let me know. If you want to use Bunker, let me know. If you want to help me build the game, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I've been busting my ass. It took me about 4 months to build this. And right now I'm just testing it still. So Bunker will be ready for whoever wants to use it soon. I mean, you can use it now, but it'll be free as of now. Okay, so now. Sorry, I'm reading something. Copy them. Okay. Textures. Where's textures? Okay, there it is. Alright. Alright, wall 1. Wall 2. Wall 3. Also, if you want to help me build the game, once again, like, subscribe, follow along. Alright, now I gotta save it. Alright, now the graphics should be there. Let's check it out. Alright, now I gotta refresh the game. Alright, now the graphics should be there. Let's check it out. Alright, let's fucking pray they're there. Just doing a hard refresh. Get away from me. Alright. Okay, refresh. Nope, I'm not seeing the goddamn graphics. Alright. This is gonna drive me nuts, so I have to fix these graphics, or else I'm not gonna be able to sleep. Nah, I'll be able to sleep. I just gotta figure out why these walls aren't loading up. Alright, let me go to File Explorer. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, local C. Doom AI. Okay, there's textures. Okay, we got the walls we need. So everything's looking good. Now I need a complete audit. So obviously the walls, everything's saved. So now I need... Alright, I'm gonna send my personal agent the code so I can figure out why the fuck do this right now. Okay, so I need to open the game. F12. Babadabadon, reggaeton. Alright. We're getting there, we're getting there. Open. Alright. There it is. Doom AI. Let's go. Alright, whoever's watching, I am building a game called Doom AI. I'll give you a little sneak peek. There it is. If you're interested in helping me build the game, let me know. Right now I'm adding some graphics. I adding the walls because obviously these walls look like shit. And then after the walls, I'm gonna upgrade the weapons. And then I'm gonna better graphics for the enemies. So like, subscribe. My Discord's in the chat. So if you want to follow along and help me build this game, let me know. So right now I need to figure out where my walls are, because I know I saved them in the right spot. I just can't find them. Alright, bear with me. Ask me something in the comments. Yeah. Right now I'm using my code editor Bunker. I don't use Cursor no more. That is a... you already know. My last invoice was for fucking $230. I am not paying that. Right here, I don't have subscriptions. I don't have invoices. I get to add my AI agent and I can build all day. Look at your hiding ass. I'll fuck you up, boy. What the fuck? Alright, I found it. Alright, we need to figure out why the walls are not showing up. So we need to go to Engine. So I need to communicate with my AI agent so my AI agent can debug the fuck out of it. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So now I need to find textures. Okay, file index.html, inherit. Okay, document. Okay, I think I found it. Okay. Sources, network, performance, application. Alright. Let's make sure everything is getting... yeah, it's getting saved. What the fuck? I know it's saved. I don't think it's just... Alright, now we gotta go to engine.js. And let's make sure we are seeing walls. in the code. Let's make sure everything is getting yeah, it's getting saved. What the fuck? I know it's saved. Load real images. Okay, fallback. Constant fallback canvases. Function load textures. Okay. Let's make sure we're seeing walls in the code. Load real images. Okay, fallback. Constant fallback canvases. Function load textures. Yep, those are not my graphics, bruh. Mo, man. That's why I want people to help me build this game, because I am not good at building games. I can build websites all day, but when it comes to games, I cannot build a game. But I'm trying anyways, so whatever. Alright, whoever's watching, I'll give you a little preview of Doom AI. Check it out. But right now I'm adding the graphics. So if you want to help me build a game, like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, because I am not good at building games. I am trying to add graphics. And then after I add the wall graphics, then I'm gonna add graphics for the enemies, and then I'm gonna do levels, and then maybe like a story type thingy. Yeah. So right now I need to tell the internal agent to figure out why the walls are not popping up. They're there. I don't know. I think it's just. Alright, let me go to engine.js. So right now I need to tell the internal agent to. Okay, where the fuck is she making this? The walls are not popping up. Wall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 textures. Alright, let me go to engine.js. Make sure load texture. Alright. Okay, where the fuck is she making this? Wall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 textures. I need me a cigarette. Alright, haters. Thanks for subscribing. I was supposed to go to work today, but I don't feel good. I feel sick. Thanks for subscribing. I have a lot of stress going on. Alright, still need the files. I was supposed to go to work today, but I don't feel good. I feel sick. Alright. The files are in textures. Walls. Oh, I think I'm spelling it wrong. Wall or walls? Okay, I'm doing it right. Wall. PNG. Okay. Oh, I think I'm spelling it wrong. Wall or walls? Okay, I'm doing it wall. PNG. Okay. Alright, now I'm getting somewhere. Alright, whoever joined, put something in the chat. Join my Discord if you guys want to help me build the game. And yeah. Alright, whoever joined, put something in the chat. Join my Discord if you guys want to help me build the game. Yeah. Oh, I fucked it up. I was using HTTP. Let me see. Oh, I fucked it up. Alright. This time it should work. Knock on wood. Alright, let's go to engine. Oh, I did a backup engine. What the fuck? Alright. This time it should work. Knock on wood. Alright, let's go to engine. Oh, I did a backup engine. Alright, whoever's watching my video, I'm building a game like Doom, but I'm calling it Doom AI. If you want to take a little sneak peek of what it looks like, here it is. If you want to help me build the game as well, make sure you subscribe and you're joining the Discord. Right now we are adding graphics so it looks better, because who the fuck wants a game that looks like that? So yeah. Right now we're adding the walls, so after the walls we're gonna update the enemies, so the enemies look more like realistic, or more, I don't know, more modern, I guess, more up to date. And if you're not sure what Bunker is my code editor that I built. I have no invoices, no subscriptions. I can build all day. It's basically like Cursor, but no subscriptions and no invoices. You can build anything. You can build websites. You can build, like, obviously you can tell I can build games. Yeah. Right now I'm building games so I can test Bunker to see what it needs work on. Right now everything's passing. I just gotta find where. I mean, obviously I saved the walls right here, but I don't know why they're not popping up in the game. I must have saved them in somewhere else. Alright, I think that's the problem, that I have them saved in downloads and not in Doom AI. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow along. Alright, go to this folder. Copy. Alright, I have to copy all of them. Alright, can't I do it? Right now I'm just talking to my AI agent. My AI agent's the one guiding me through all this. Ugh. Put something in the comments. Something you think I should add to the game. I don't know. I want to add something cool to where I don't know. Tell me what you think I should add. I gotta find PowerShell because I gotta move over the images. I don't know. I want to add something cool to where I don't know. Tell me what you think I should add. I gotta find PowerShell because I gotta move over the images. Alright, go back to the game. Gotta refresh it. Alright, let's pray. Oh, you son of a bitch. What the fuck? Why aren't the fucking walls there? Alright, go back to the game. Alright, I'm gonna have to refresh it again. Alright, let's pray. Oh, you son of a bitch. I need to go to the code and check out what the fuck is going on. Alright, we're almost there. We figured out one issue. The images were being saved in downloads. They were not saved in Doom. Alright, we're almost there. We figured out one issue. The images were being saved in downloads. They were not saved in Alrighty, moving along. I thought I stopped you. Alright, I think it's fixed. No clipboard. What the fuck is no clipboard? Cause I'm a bad motherfucker. These motherfuckers. we got it to go. Finally, holy shit. Alright, let's see. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at that. Look at, I built this shit right here. Fuck yeah, let's go. Look at that. I built this right here, look. This is badass. Way better than how it was. Alright, you guys. I am not done building. I'm gonna keep building all motherfucking night. I am fucking excited. This game's gonna be badass. Alright, you guys. I am not done building. I'm gonna keep building all motherfucking night. I am fucking excited. This game's gonna be badass. You guys are missing out. Check out these motherfucking graphics. Alright, that's not it. This is it. Boom AI. You guys are missing out. Check out these motherfucking Look at that. Alright, my agent's working, so that's why it booted me. But let's check it out again. Oh, I know why. Alright, I kind of want to show you guys my... Because I'm using Chrome right now, but I have a lot of private stuff on here that I don't want you to see. Alright, my agent's working, so that's why it booted me. But let's check it out again. Oh, I know why. Alright, I kind of want to show you guys my... Because I'm using Chrome right now, but I have a lot of private stuff on here that I don't want you to see. Alright, be right back. Alright, I'm gonna I have to go to the bathroom, but fixed. Alright, no function error, but finding. Alright, let's fucking go. Alright, let's save that. Alright, viewers, put something in the comment. What should the enemies look like? I want them to look like AI-ish, but or like a robot or something cool. I want it to look gangster. Take a look. Look at these graphics. Bam. Alright. So I do have a bug. Earlier it was allowing me to kill the enemy. But now I need to go back over here. I need to hit F12 to look for some bugs. Alright. So I do have a bug. Earlier it was allowing me to kill the enemy. But now I need to go back over here. I need to hit F12 to look for some bugs. Alright, let's see if it works. Alright, let me know. Put in the comments what you think about the graphics. These graphics are sick. Alright, let's see if it works. Ho ho ho. Why can't I hit F12? What the fuck? Oh, I know why. Alright, I gotta go to inspect. Oh yeah, look at all those bugs. Holy shit, it's a lot of bugs. Alright, let's go back to console. Okay, texture one added. Alright, I gotta go to inspect. Now I need to. Alright, escape. Alright, let's go back to console. Okay, texture one added. Now I need to. Alright, escape. Oh, you mother. Alright, I gotta. Alright, sweet. Copy. Now I'm gonna tell my agent to fix it. Because that is way too many bugs going on. But that's normal. This is my first time ever building a game, so. Alright, sweet. Copy. Now I'm gonna tell my agent to fix it. That is way too many bugs going on. But that's normal. This is my first time ever building a game, so. Alright, I'm going to the bathroom. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek while I'm in the bathroom at the graphics. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I built this right here. Look, look. In bunker. Alright, I'm going to the bathroom. Oh, I gotta send this to my friend. My friend's helping me build this. God, I have to take a piss, but I can't get off. to show somebody my YouTube, so alright, you guys want to check out the game that I just built in my code editor, Bunker? Check it out. Bam. Put in the comments on what kind of, look, I could change the weapons. I want to add more graphics, but I'm not too sure. And then I got to add more levels. And then I'm going to change the graphics for the enemies. Oh, shit. Shit. I'm going to change the graphics for the enemies. So, how should the enemies look? I kind of want them to look like a robot. I don't know, something cool. But I need to go to the bathroom, so don't forget to like, subscribe, put something in the comments on what I should add. And then if you want to help me build this game, follow along. I'll be right back. 1 minute. I'm back. Whoever's still there, appreciate it if you're there. Put something in the comments. I want to know what kind of graphics I should add to this game that I built. There's one weapon. Oh, god damn. Obviously I'm gonna add graphics to the weapons as well. But you should have seen the graphics before. They look like trash. But now they are way better. I think I'm gonna add what's it called? I said it earlier, but I'm gonna add graphics to the enemies. So when I shoot the enemies, maybe like blood can splatter out of them. And then also, please like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I really do want to build this channel. I busted my ass on trying to build this, and it's finally coming along. So let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So right now I am having issues with shooting the enemies. So I gotta fix that. So I am going to ask the agent so we can shoot the enemies, and then after that I'm going to be adding graphics so we have better looking enemies. Alright, whoever's watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, put in a comment, join the Discord. Right now I am going on my X account so I can show some people the graphics. Alright, whoever's watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, put in a comment, join the Discord. Right now I am going on my X. Sorry. So I can show just a little pumped. You should have seen the graphics before. They were trash. They were bad. It looked like a fucking kindergartner drew it with a crayon. Sorry. Alright. You should have seen the graphics before. They were trash. They were bad. It looked like a fucking kindergartner drew it with a crayon. Alright. Those graphics, I mean, they're not like the fucking best in the world, but they are way better than what they were. And then why isn't anybody subscribing? Hello? No, I'd really appreciate though if you guys would please subscribe, help a brother out. If you guys only knew how long it took me, shit. I literally took a month off of work just to build this because I don't know, I just wanted to build it. She said, look, ma, no hands. She said, look, ma, no hands. Cause I'm a bad motherfucker. Go and see motherfuckers. Alright, one person watching. Cool. Alright, what do you guys think about me adding a golden gun like in 007? I think that'll be sick. Or like a bazooka or something. it's almost done fixing the shooting, so I'm able to shoot the enemies. Alright, right now I'm gonna start designing what the enemies should look like. Alright, it's almost done fixing the shooting, so I'm able to shoot the enemies. Alright, right now I'm gonna start designing what the enemies should look like. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna add 3 enemies, 3 different looking ones for now. Yeah, these motherfuckers gonna look sick. Alright, I'm gonna add 3 enemies, 3 different looking ones for now. Alright, I gotta find out where I gotta save them again. Save them. Alright. Yeah, these motherfuckers gonna look sick. Alright, I gotta find out where I gotta save them again. Save them. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm just a little focused. I'm a little pumped up. New file, new folder. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm just a little focused. Nope, not there. Pumped up. I want them in index. New file, new folder. Alright, texture. Nope, not there. I want them in index. Alright, texture. Alright, now I gotta add the file. Alright, texture, scripts, new folder. Alright, now I gotta add the file. Alright, texture, scripts, new folder. Alright, delete, move to recycle bin. Alright. Doom AI. No, that is not what we want. Doom AI. Alright, let's go back and make sure everything's good. Alright, now I need to go back to local host. Inspect. Console. Alright, I think I fixed it. Fuck. Main.js, copy. Alright, right now I'm gonna have my AI agent fix it to where we can shoot the enemies now. Right now we got it to we got the graphics going, so that's a plus. Alright, right now I'm gonna have my AI agent fix it to where look at those graphics, yo. Come on, come on. Where we can shoot the enemies now. Come on, back up, back up, back up. Alright, it kicked me out because my agent's building right now. Alright, look at these. Alright, whoever's new to the video, check out these graphics I just added to the game I called Doom AI. If you want to help me build this game, make sure you subscribe, join the Discord. Give me some ideas, maybe some better graphics. Next, I'm gonna add better graphics for the enemies because those are obviously plain looking. And then right now you can change the weapons. Look at that. I think I got like a little Gatling gun. Oh damn! All right. Alright, ran select. Okay. Added a play shoot, audio system, select, certain same weapon parameter. Shows no errors. Let's go. So now I'm gonna have to do a refresh, and then it should be good to go. And then don't forget to like, subscribe. It's obviously gonna take me time to build this game. I'm not in like a huge rush, but I would like for people to follow along and help a brother out. You feel me? And don't forget to like, subscribe. It's obviously gonna take me time to build this game. I'm not in like a huge rush, but I would like for people to follow along and help a brother out. You feel me? Alright, so far so good. Alright, starting up Doom AI. Let's see if the agent fixed to where it can shoot. Alright, starting up Doom AI. Let's see if the agent fixed to where it can shoot. Alright, I gotta get my health up. Ah, got me. Alright, I gotta get my health up. Alright, I need to clean my desk. Holy cow, I am a motherfucking pig, yo. Alright, let's close out of that one. I want you guys to be able to see it, so let me fix this sheet. Alright, I need to clean my desk. Holy cow, I am a motherfucking pig, yo. Alright. Now next I'm gonna be adding the what's it called? Graphics for the enemies. Okay. Now next I'm gonna be adding the what's it called? Graphics for the enemies. She said, "Look, ma, no hands. I'm a bad mug. Oh, what's his mother?" She said, "Look, ma, no hands. I'm a bad mug. Oh, what's his mother?" Alright, let's see if it added the file. Yep, there it is. So now I just gotta add the enemies and I'm good to go. You feel me? Okay, so while the agent's working, I am going to add the enemies. Alright, enemy 1. Okay, so while the agent's working, I am going to add enemy 1.png. Alright, now we go here, go to Doom AI. Alright, saved my first enemy. Alright, now let's go to the next one. Alright, enemy 2. Ooh, that motherfucker look cool. Alright, open. Alright, save my first. Save as. Alright, now let's go to the next one. Alright, enemy 2. Ooh, that motherfucker look cool. Alright, now I need one more enemy and I am done. Yeah, this one looks cool as fuck. Alright, let's make sure we save as enemy 3. Alright, now I need one more enemy and I am done. Yeah, this one looks cool as fuck. Enemy, make sure I spell them right. Okay, PNG, they're all in Doom AI, sprites, okay. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what the enemies are gonna look like. I'll let y'all wait. Fuck it. Alright, that's one enemy. Look at that. Boom. That's gonna be in the game. Enemy 2. Enemy 3. I like enemy 1 to be honest. Alright, so now I need my agent to add these enemies. Enemy 1, 2, and 3. Alright, that's one enemy. Look at that. Okay. That's gonna be in the game. Enemy 2. Enemy 3. I like enemy 1 to be honest. Alright, so now I need my agent to add these enemies. Enemy 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Let's go. Alright, everything so far so good. Alright, what do you guys think about the enemy? Enemies, that's only one. That's 2, 3. Alright, everything so far so good. Alright, what do you guys think about the enemy? Enemies, that's only one. That's 2, 3. Man, that Zen fucked me up. Ugh. Man, that Zen fucked me up. Oh, now I got the hiccups. Alright, let's go back. Alright, let's go back. I might have fucked up because the enemies have this white background, so hopefully when it's playing that white background's not there. But if it does, that's an easy fix, so it's whatever. It's whatever, clever. I might have fucked up because the enemies have this white background, so hopefully when it's playing that white background's not there. But if it does, that's an easy fix, so it's whatever. Alright, it is almost done. It is at, okay, it's opening it up in PowerShell, Doom AI engines, upstream. Okay, now let me take a look at the motherfucking code. Take a look at the motherfucking code. Alright, it is almost done. It is at, okay, it's opening it up in PowerShell, Doom AI engines, upstream. Okay, now that is badass. That is badass. Alright, should be done. Okay, now where it's at, Doom loaded. Start loading. Menu, okay, in the game, bootstrap. That's what's up. Alright, chain gun. Alright, that's the kind of weapon the enemies are gonna have, is a chain gun. I don't know what the fuck that is, but. Alright, should be done. Okay, now where it's at. Also, I'm gonna be adding graphics too for the guns. Just doing everything little by little. I'll put my hand up on my hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Also, I'm gonna be adding graphics too for the guns. Just doing everything little by little. Alright, it's almost done. Let's get it. Okay, weapons. We're good on that. Map. Alright. Audio. Alright, next is weapons. I'm gonna add some badass shit. I'll put my hand up on your head. Now I wonder how, if I were to, for the enemies, how I can make them move, like how they move in like PS5 games. I'm not gonna do that now, but eventually I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna ask Grok. Yo, Grok. Yo, Grok. How can I make... Alright, where's it at? Okay, I need to close out my power shells. Alright, so far so good. Sorry it takes a bit. It's just deleting old code, new code. Alright, it's moving. Alright, I'm not gonna add that yet to where the enemies like move, like how they do in like video games nowadays. I'm gonna just wait for that. So for now, I'm just gonna update all the graphics, the weapons, probably like a story. Since it's called Doom AI, I wanted to have like a cool story AI. I'm trying to think. Maybe like at the end of the game, we have to like not get rid of AI, but get rid of like the person in control of like that's using AI for that's like trying to destroy humanity. That'd be fucking cool. That'll be sick. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Doom AI. That sounds badass. I put my hand up on my head. Why not dead? Alright, agent is still cooking. we at? Where we at, yo? Raycaster? I don't know what that is. I think that's a weapon. Substring? No clue. I'll have to ask my agent. Alright, if anybody's watching, I'll give you a little sneak peek of the motherfucking game. Look, Doom AI. Alright, it's not loading right now because the agent's working on it, but just give it a bit. There it is. Okay, that means the agent should be done then. I'm gonna hit new game. That's, oh shit, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Alright, obviously that's not cool. Alright, let's go back and look. We want to get rid of that white background. Obviously we want just a solid enemy. So now I need to tell my... Oh damn, this motherfucker's aggressive. I don't know what the fuck that is. Alright, we're getting places. Alright, let me let the agent finish cooking. And then I'm gonna get rid of that white background because that looks like shit. And then I need to add it back to where we can like level up our health, get more ammo, and yeah, some other cool shit. Damn, I've been live for I think like 2 hours. And I've only used, let's see how many credits I've used so far. I started this game from scratch. I've used almost just 5 credits. Which, if you think about it, that is not a lot at all because of all the graphics and all the weapons and characters and yeah. So if I were to build a website, it would probably take like 2 credits. Yeah, these motherfuckers are quick, yo. Yeah, this is that crazy horny motherfucker. Get away from me. You too. Look, it says bunker. Alright, I'm just reading the code. Alright, yeah, I think it's pretty much done. Enemy sprite map, substring. Okay, cool. Let's get it, yo. Alright, so no subscribers. Hello. Subscribe. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I think that game's pretty cool. Should I show Elon my game? You think he's gonna think I'm a loser? Probably like, get out of here, you mech Mexican. Alright, we all in for I am Mexican, so don't feel offended. Look at this game. We built in Bunker AI code editor where you bring your own agent. We built a Doom type game. Just added. Just added graphics. Let's go. Alright, now I gotta go back over here. Alright, it is done. Check it out. Done. All deliverables are in place and verified clean in browser. Localhost 33333. Alright, bet. Now let's save it up. And then we are going to alright. Copy. Alright. I'm gonna change my my window capture so you guys can see. Alright, Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's go with fuck it. Microsoft Edge. Don't be nosy. Don't be stealing shit. Alright. Where the fuck did it go? Alright, I gotta go to properties again. Something's not right. Okay, I think I gotta... There it is. Alright, I got it. Alright, I'm gonna just get rid of a few things. Maybe I'll just shrink my big ass head. Alright, that looks better. So now I am going to... Okay, let's see if it works. Local host. Alright. Doom AI. Let me know if you can see it. Alright. I'm just checking to see if you guys can see it. Alright, yeah, you guys can't see it. Oh, look at those graphics. That's what I'm talking about. And I already know I gotta fix the enemy to where I get rid of that white background. Oh, this motherfucker is. Oh. Alright, y'all. That's pretty much it for now. But I am going to edit. Put in the comments on what I should add. Join the Discord. Like, subscribe. Yeah, follow along. Give me some ideas. And yeah, let's do this shit. Let me know if I should add like levels, like a story. Yeah, should I make it like 2-player to where like me and my agent play or your agent? Yeah, let me know. Alrighty, y'all have a good one, and I'll probably be back on later.